Hi, my name is Al Hagia, the founder of eForce Marine in Miami, Florida. One of the most common questions we get for our electric propulsion system is what size of boat can they power? Even though that we make different size propulsion system for different size boats, today we are showing you our biggest yet, a 200 kilowatt electric propulsion system. A pair of these motors have been used on a tour boat of 90-foot size, capable of carrying 600 passengers. This is a very powerful motor. It has 3,000 Newton meter of force. Compared to internal combustion motor, this is about a third of a size and a weight. As our business would grow, so would be the size of the systems that we would offer. This is all going to be matching what our customers require and their application. Thank you.